said that this question is from my brother. He says that some people, they do hide their belief in Hadrat Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, and he would like to know that does Allah prefer them to hide it or to declare it to the open public?
Allah has made it very clearly known through many verses of the Holy Quran and with their application to different situations. Unless somebody is believer while he is ukriha, his hiding has no justification. If somebody is coerced to hide his faith or to declare contrary to the faith he holds, whenever there is coercion, there is torture involved, then weak people are permitted to hide their faith, not otherwise. So they will be held responsible before Allah, because for faith it is essential to be declared so that other people can benefit from it. Right?
So only weak people, if they want to suffer and...
Weak? Why weak when there is no pressure upon them?
No, I'm saying if there is a
people means they are cowardly people who prefer the worldly people over Allah. This weakness is not permissible by God. So Allah knows best how He will treat them. I can't say anything. But only guided you in principle.